Search suspended for teen thought to have drowned in alligator pond. Alleged thief caught on CCTV stealing food from church. Man killed an hour before start of Hanover Peace March. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Divers in Alligator Pond in Manchester have suspended the search for missing 17-year-old Asafalo. The divers say their efforts are being hampered by rough seas. The teen was reportedly swept away by strong currents while swimming on Sunday. It is reported that the 17-year-old mechanic of Hanover district near My Gully in northwest Manchester went swimming with friends when the incident occurred. A 30-year-old man has been charged after he was reportedly caught on camera breaking into a church and stealing food items in Reading, St. James. Charged is Ardley Graham of a St. James address. More details to come following further investigations. The fatal shooting of a man on Macquarie Road in Hopewell delayed the start of a peace march in Hanover on Sunday. Reports are that the 21-year-old laborer, Adrian Williams, was fatally shot in the face around 3 p.m. His precise address is not known at this time.